Because competencies are broad and cross-disciplinary, they should be organized by levels or grade bands rather than single subject areas or individual grades. Competencies should be unpacked into a learning continuum that details how learning will progress as learners work toward mastery of the competency. A learning continuum provides a clear outline for how students will deepen their skills over time from pre-K to post-secondary across a range of content areas. It might look something like this. In elementary school, a student may practice critical thinking by finding key information and forming generalizations about famous historical figures in social studies. When they get to middle school, they might build on their capacity for critical thinking by selecting an appropriate approach to a particular problem presented in math class. As they near graduation, students may further develop critical thinking by citing valid, reliable data and analyzing information to make a hypothesis in a science lab. Rather than a series of disconnected activities, students understand how everything they are doing will prepare them for what they will do next. It also provides cool opportunities for teachers and students to collaborate and supports personalized pacing for both the learners who may need more time or those who are ready to accelerate in a particular area.